Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can transfer your Pi from your wallet to your Pi wallet, from your exchange rather to your Pi wallet, your Pi browser. You know your wallet on your Pi browser. So here is how to go about it. First of all, you need to come to your exchange and make sure you have Pi on your exchange or that particular exchange. For me, I'll be using Bitget exchange. And also, before you transfer any Pi coin or token to your Pi browser, make sure you've completed your KYC to avoid problem. So you come to assets here. When you log on, this is our home. But for you to do that, you come here, you come to assets. As you can see, I have Pi here, so I'll click on it. Take me to spot. So you click on withdraw. So you come to assets and then you click on withdraw. And as you can see, these are tokens that I have on my exchange. Then you click on the Pi network. So it will ask you, is it internal transfer or on chain? If it is internal transfer, that means maybe you want to transfer to maybe let's say other Bitget user. Do you get that will be 0 fees? But here is on chain like other exchange entirely. So you click on chain withdrawal. But here they will be asking for your wallet address. And how do you get this? You minimize your screen and go back to your Pi browser. So it will bring you here. As you can see here, you can see wallet here. So you click on wallet. You open your wallet. It will ask for your fingerprint or seed phrase. I'll be using my fingerprint for the sake of this video. Then as you can see here, I have 0 Pi here in my wallet. So I'll click on, for you to copy your wallet address, you come here to pay or request. Then it will ask you to scan QR code or manually add wallet. So you click on it, you click on scan QR code, then you click on share here. So you click on share wallet address. So it will bring you here, then you copy it from this side. So you already copy your wallet address. Then you go back to your Bitget exchange and then you input it here. So as you can see here, the minimum amount of Pi that you can transfer is 5 Pi. And if you want to transfer all, you can also transfer all, but they will take away their network fee. But I'm not transferring, I'm just making this video for educational purpose. So you then click on withdraw, then you will receive your Pi on your Pi browser. So here is how to go about it. Also, quick one, please, if you are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button so you can always see the latest updates about crypto or anything at all that concern anything that concern about crypto and anything that concern airdrop and how to make money online. And then let me also show you how you can, for those that don't know how to purchase Pi on Bitget exchange. So let me go back. And if you don't have Pi on your exchange, you just come to home here. You come to home, then you come here to assets, then you click on sports, then you search for Pi. I have it already, but if I want to buy more, this is the same process I will have to go. Then it will show you like this, and then you click on trade. So at the bin I have USDT. I will click already is on buy, but if I want to sell, maybe I want to trade it for USDT, I will change the button to sell, but I'm not selling. I actually want to buy more. If I want to buy more, for instance, then at the bin I want to sell all, I'll click on the whole quantity. Do you see? But I'm not selling my pie. In case I want to buy more, I'll click on buy here, or even if I don't have at all, I'll click on buy where I have my USDT on my wallet. I'll click on buy here, and then you select the amount. Let's say you want to buy 5 pi. You click on quantity and then you click on 5 pi worth 5.5 USDT. Did you get? It's trading at $1.1 now. It's trading at $1.1. So here is how to go about it. Then you click on buy pi, and then you receive your token. But I don't have USDT. Let me check. Let me just, then you click on buy pi, but I don't have USDT. That's why I'm having this error here. You see, it told me to add funds. So here's how to go about it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Peace out.